there's one thing to who say media need be they want to shift the whole thing too, especially when the announcement came out to say the former president has been exonerated and that Airbus are Sammygyamfi. But you could see some of the news outlets almost captions need be to say special prosecutor unmask John Mahama as government official one. They leave it there. Yeah, and sometimes it's terrible because right now the argument is switching to government official one no any John Mahama. But the issue is you cannot vindicate John Mahama without unmasking who is government official one. Because go ahead.
About a certain government official one.
Yeah.
So they talk saying once special prosecutor Becca said John Mahama is government official one. I was monitoring the press conference. Immediately the special prosecutor said John Mahama is government official one. Then their media guys started doing the flyers.
Yeah.
One can see the role of this so-called government official one. So what you say?
Because OS because government official one has been exonerated. Who is government official one?
Official one.
Yeah, you need to put a name there.
Now tells you this government official one was the vice president who was the chairman of the Armed Forces Council who had good intentions and therefore participated in the communications and meetings with Airbus to get a good deal for Ghana. And he had good intentions in it. And so then the Jubilee as chairman of the Armed Forces Council and therefore participated in these things. Or you'll be a correct luncheon. Even if the technocrats are doing the wrong thing, can find out. And this will tell everybody the man John Mahama said he's a diligent man, he's a hard-working man. Or no, you are or then send the from the president, the vice president, to be in the office. No, he gets involved in the work to ensure that the job is done. That is what this shows. So we now know that Sir government official one know you papa. Sir now he had good intentions. Sir now anje bribe dia. Sir now anje kata shedi proye dia. Sir na e din say. In the government, maybe the maybe we say. Unyame and apa NPP for Untuma. Their cup is full. You see, there is judgment against the NPP. That is why and throw maybe out of your mama soon a collapse like a pack of cards. These days, the journalists they paid to destroy him. So we will tell us in Dubai. Most of them, I'm sure you have seen that they've come out to apologize to John Mahama. Most of them. And you see, John Mahama is a blessed man because leaders may be their vindication come after they have died.
Yeah, after. Yeah.
Because in Chroma, and probably they did told so the truth was not told, did not manifest, did not come to light when he was alive. But John Mahama there, Nyame town for him to abrawatiase, and he's seen. It's like what David said, Psalm 23. Or say he prepares a table, you see, in the presence of my enemies.